Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app not opening. So first close the Google app. So swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that solves the problem. Next, you can restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Next, go to your phone settings, then go to general, then select iPhone storage. Now in here, scroll down and select Google app. So here you can click offload app or delete app. So click offload app, then confirm the action. Then once reinstall app appears, click on that and wait for it to finish. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So just wait for it to finish. And once done, open Google app again and see if that works. Next, you can try to update Google app to the latest version. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Google. So open it, and if any update is available, so click on that to update it to the latest version. Next, make sure also your device operating system is up to date. So go to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and go to general, then select software update and install your phone to the latest version. Once updated, open Google app and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.